Welcome to US English channel, where we make learning fun and exciting. In this video, we are going to make word maps to learn new words and expand our vocabulary. Our three words for today are address, bike, and car. First, we'll find the definition of address. What is address? Address is the name and the number of the place where someone lives or works. And here is a picture describing address. The address is written on a mailing package. Now let's use the word address in a meaningful sentence. She changed her home address because she moved to a new house. And now we'll find the synonyms of address. Address has the same or nearly the same meaning with direction, label, and location. Our next word is bike. Bike is short for bicycle and a vehicle with two wheels. And here is a picture of a bike. Now let's use the word bike in a meaningful sentence. I love riding my bike. And the synonyms for the word bike are bicycle, velocipede, and two-wheeler. Our last word is car. What is a car? It's a four-wheeled road vehicle that is powered by an engine. And here is a picture of a car. My friend's father has got a blue car. Car has the same or nearly the same meaning with auto and automobile. Now we know how to make a word map. Until next video, why don't you give it a try and make your own word maps for these words and share them below. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. Have a wordy day.